Hello all tech enthusiasts, my name is Shubham Sharma. In today's video, we are going to explore Devin, which is a AI software engineer recently developed by the Cognition.ai. So without any delay, let's talk further about it. So let's talk about what is Devin AI. So Devin AI is nothing, it is a coding buddy which is going to help software developer in order to do coding alongside with them. Now let's talk about what are its capabilities and what are the things which it can do. So the first thing which it can do to write the code as the software developers. Apart from this, the second use case of it is also going to identify the code in the code bases of various websites or application. And apart from this, it is also going to do the task of deployment and monitoring process. So which is really insane because as of now there was nothing available with respect to Devin AI, but after coming of this, there is disruption in the market. Everyone is thinking around this product. There is too much hype of this product in the market. And what's your thought on this? Please let me know in the comment section. Will really going to replace a normal software engineer? What are your thoughts on this? Please let me know. But one thing I would say for sure is that it is not going to replace software engineer. Apart from this, it is just going to help them in order to make an application in a fast way. You can consider it as a intern which will going to help him in order to write a application. So as of now, if there is a 100 employees working, so after coming with this tool, there will be requirement of only 50 to 60% software engineer. So this is the only thing which we can understand, and we cannot predict the future. But for now, we can say that it is a product which has come in the market for helping software developer instead of replacing them. So there is no need to fear to create in your mind that it will replace you. If it will replace you, then just don't think regarding its fear. Just embrace the AI because there is no harm in learning AI. If you will learn AI, then it will also help in your upcoming career. You can also build product like this after learning AI, means not in 1 to 2 year, but if you will give sufficient amount of time, then you can also make this type of product. So with this, I would like to conclude. So if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe and hit the like button for more such upcoming tech updates. So this was it from my side. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring new things. Thank you for watching this video.